Hello everyone, welcome back to I'm Gizmo Geek. Today I will be unboxing the Nvidia Shield TV Pro 2019 version, which is the gold standard for Android TV experience. This cost $199 and I had a cousin buy it for me and bring it to India. Indians can buy directly from Amazon.com as the item ships to India too. But there would be custom duties and shipping charges that would increase the cost of the Shield TV Pro to approximately $26,000. And if you want the non-pro version, it would cost approximately $18,000. One of the channel subscriber bought the pro version through this method and got it delivered without any hassle in 1 month. So just letting you know guys about it. Now moving on to the retail box. The retail box has the Shield TV Pro device printed on the left and the remote on the right. 4K HDR Android TV is also mentioned at the bottom of the box. This side it has the major attractions listed, supports Dolby Vision and Atmos, 4K HDR, AI upscaling which is supposedly one of the best upscaling in the market, has two 3.0 ports, it can be used as also a Plex media server, it has some free premium Android games, and has 3GB RAM with 16GB onboard storage. The Android TV interface on the box is still the old one, but we get the latest home screen which I will show you when I connect it to the TV. It says that we can even buy the Shield TV stand separately if you want it, to place it vertically like the PS5. Box contents and specifications listed on the other side. Instead of the MediaTek processor like the other Android TVs, this has the Nvidia Tegra processor which keeps this device ahead of the other devices. It has 64-bit CPU for smooth performance during 4K HDR playback and navigation. 256-core Nvidia GPU for better gaming. Supports Dolby Atmos and Dolby Digital Plus sound output. RAM and storage as listed. The USB 3.0 port that can be used for expanding the storage. Dual band Wi-Fi. Gigabit Ethernet port if you have high-speed internet and router with gigabit ports. And finally the Bluetooth is 5.0 low energy. The box looks really nice and minimal with all white and green accents of Nvidia. So without further ado, let's unbox now. The box is little difficult to open and I thought it would slide easily but it wasn't. There you go. Surprisingly there's some dust on it. Not sure why. The remote design is quite unique with triangular shape. It's easy to hold and the build quality is great. It has Bluetooth too. To open the back cover there's a button and we can slide the cover to change the batteries. I wasn't expecting the batteries to be already put inside. It has an IR blaster at the top. All the basic buttons like power, settings, navigation along with media buttons, volume and voice control are present. It also has a large button dedicated for Netflix. Boy, Netflix must have paid well for this. Let's keep it aside. And here's the powerhouse. Nvidia Shield TV Pro, where all the power hardware is housed. It has an Nvidia logo at the right bottom corner. Love the random pattern design on this. The green accent here is also an LED that glows when powered on. It's not too big and pretty light too. Reminds me of a slightly larger hard disk. So definitely thinner and smaller than many other Android boxes. The ports on the back include two USB 3.0 ports, one HDMI port for connecting directly to TV for audio video, or connect a soundbar that can pass through the video to TV, a gigabit LAN port, and the power port. It has a mix of glossy and rubberized texture finish. The texture finish at the bottom would let it stay in place. The bottom has also vents for cooling of the internals. Now other than these, we have a small quick start guide showing how to connect and support guide for helpful tips. And finally the power brick with large Nvidia logo. It's pretty huge and obviously comes with the US pins. It works on 19 volts and 2.1 amps, so a maximum of 40 watts. The connection is proprietary, so you have to be careful of not losing this one. The cable quality is also pretty good. Funny thing is that it also has a small compartment in the box and it says empty. If you know why it was given, let me know in the comments. So these are the box contents of the Shield TV Pro 2019 version. I will now connect this to the TV and show you a quick overview. The Shield TV Pro is now connected to the OnePlus TV Q1 Pro, which supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos. And this is how the LED on the device lights up in green to indicate the power. The home screen is very similar to any other Android TV. It's the latest Android TV home screen with Discover section, recommendations and App Store. It has the channels on the main screen from different apps installed, but you will find an extra row from Nvidia games that one can use, but unfortunately it's not officially supported in India. I really like that soothing tap sound that comes when we navigate through the interface. The Discover and App section are same as Android TVs. On the top right there is time and settings. The settings page has a quick settings at the top which can be customized. The AI upscaling or the artificial intelligence upscaling is where the low resolution contents like SD can be upscaled to 4K for better viewing experience. Remotes and accessories page has some nifty features to disconnect the accessories automatically when in sleep. Though it has been almost 3 years of release, the Shield has recently been upgraded to Android 11 directly from Android 9. The latest version is slightly buggy and hope it will improve soon. In the display, it shows 4K with HDR and Dolby Vision support at 60 FPS. In sound, you can see it supports Dolby audio and upmixing of stereo to 5.1. Coming to the storage, out of 16GB, 4GB is for the operating system and 12GB is available for apps and media. With all the basic OTT apps installed, it still have over 8GB space to install games and apps. And the remaining settings are quite similar to the Android TVs we see. The navigation on the Shield is amazing. Hardly seen any lag or stuttering while navigating. Now playing content on OTT apps like Netflix, it shows Dolby Vision and Atmos support below the title itself. And the TV even shows the logos for both during the playback. Picture quality is really good, especially during the HDR content playback. For the titles only with the Dolby Digital Plus content, you can see a Dolby Audio logo showing up on the TV instead of the Atmos. Hotstar Dolby Vision also plays very smooth without any issues like observed with the regular Android TV. So overall the playback of 4K HDR, Dolby Vision and Dolby Audio content is flawless. One more interesting thing about the Shield is the remote is backlit, and the backlit automatically turns on when it detects motion. Let me show you with the lights off. As you can see that the buttons are easily recognizable even with the lights off. This is something all the TV manufacturers should implement. So that's all about the quick overview of the Shield TV Pro and its usage in India. Basically everything except the GeForce Now works and it's super fast for sure. We'll soon be sharing the comparison of Shield TV Pro versus a regular Android TV and if it's really worth to spend such huge amount or who should actually buy it. So stay tuned and subscribe to know more about it.